Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your kids online with Disney Plus step by step clearly. To protect your kids online with Disney Plus, start by creating a user account. Visit the Disney Plus website or open the app on your device. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. Follow the prompts to enter your email and set a password. Once your account is created, navigate to the profile settings. Select Edit Profiles from the menu. Choose Add Profile to create a new profile for your child. Name the profile and select a character or avatar. Now, set the age-appropriate content filter. Tap on Content Rating and select Kids for safer viewing. You can also customize additional settings for this profile. To limit screen time, decide when your child can watch. Choose specific hours in the Viewing Activity section. Next, enable the PIN protection for settings access. Go to the Account section and select Profile PIN. Create a 4-digit PIN that's easy for you to remember. Make sure to inform your child not to share this PIN. Regularly check the viewing habits in watch history. Discuss the content your child is consuming. Encourage open conversations about what they watch. Revisit settings periodically to adapt to their growing needs. Remember to remind them about online safety and privacy. Help your kids understand the importance of reporting inappropriate content. By following these steps, you'll create a safer viewing environment for your children on Disney Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.